Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today I'm sharing the brand new Indigo Old English Shaylee bag from Lily Jade with you guys. As you saw in the very first part of this video, you can wear this bag 4 different ways, which I love. So you can wear it tote style, over the shoulder, messenger style, and backpack style. And that's actually one of my favorite things about Lily Jade bags is that almost all of them are convertible. I also wanted to mention that I am teaming up with GatorMom Reviews and Mom with Meghan on YouTube to do a packing video and review collab. So make sure to click the links down below after you're done watching this video and head on over to their channels to see how they pack their bags up. Now, I haven't owned the Shaylee in quite some time, as I mentioned in my last video, and I will link it right here for you guys when I unboxed it. It's been like 5 to 6 years, but I am so excited that this bag released in an Old English color because I really wanted to try the Shaylee again, and I am loving it so far, you guys. Right now, most of the time, it's just me and my 3-year-old when we're out and about. And so I need something a little bit smaller these days. And this bag fits the bill perfectly. But besides that, let's talk about this color because it is so soft and squishy. Look at that, you guys. It's got this great squish to it. Not to mention, all Lily Jade bags smell amazing. So I love that. Now, if you're new to Lily Jade, they have 2 different kinds of leather. They have Old English, which is what I have here in the indigo color, and they also have it in the original Old English color, and I will link my video for that right here so you guys can go check that out. So the Old English leather is basically their regular leather, but it's a natural finish. So if you touch your bag and feel your bag, you can see that if you like run your fingernail across it, it will leave a mark, which I really love. I think that adds so much character to this bag. And I also feel like I don't have to be as careful with it. I am still very careful with these bags because I love them so much. But I feel like I don't have to be as careful because if it makes a mark, that just adds to the character of this style bag. But the Old English is also softer and squishier. It just has a great feel to it. I love it. So let's do a little close-up real quick. You guys can see what I'm talking about. I will also link you guys to my blog post right here, which has a lot more photos as well of this bag being worn and some up-close shots. So let's get started on the outside of this bag. So as I mentioned, you have these 2 great tote straps. They have a wonderful drop length, so this fits right up under your arm, as you guys saw in my on the body portion of this video. It is really comfortable. This is my go-to way to grab this bag out of the car. So even if I'm wearing this as a backpack, I grab this like this and then I swing it around. I'll show you guys the backpack straps. And then I just put this on as a backpack. And this is a very comfortable bag to wear backpack style, you guys. And since I'm back here, you guys can see you have a nice big zipper pocket back here. I don't have anything in here, but if you're traveling, this is a great place to keep your wallet. So I'll show you guys. It goes about, I guess, the length of my hand, almost up to my wrist, depth-wise. And it goes from all the way over here to all the way over here. So it's a great little spot for a wallet. On the sides of the bags, you don't really have much going on here. You have a flat side here with a seam, so no bottle pockets, but you do have your D-rings here. And you also have these snaps. So if you are wearing this bag crossbody or over the shoulder with the included strap, then you would want to have this up like this on the sides. Now, if you're wearing it as a backpack or just with the tote straps, you would want to snap these closed. But I really love these little grommets right here. I think those are so cute. So that's what the sides of the bag look like. Now moving back onto the front, you have this gorgeous silver hardware Lily Jade logo. Let's see if I can show you guys. See that? It's really pretty. You also have your Lily Jade tassel here with the jade beads, which is really pretty as well. Now they have a tassel on all of their bags, which really makes them special. So I just love this feature. It's one of my favorite things. Now on the very front pockets here, you have a hidden magnet pocket. So they're very quiet. So if baby is sleeping and you need to get into your bag, that's not gonna wake them up. It's very nice, soft close. I love it. So you have one on each side of your bag as well. So that is the outside of the Shaylee. Let's go ahead and start unpacking this bag. Now, as I showed you guys on the back, I don't have anything in there right now. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on into the front pockets here. On this side here, I have my phone. I have an iPhone 11 Max Pro down here, which is a decent sized phone, as you guys can see. I was able to fit that in there flat on its side with no issues, even with my pop socket on there. On this side, I have my keys. These are just great pockets to keep things that you need to have access to fairly quickly. Now that is all that I had on the outside of the bag, so let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is the top of the Shaylee. As you guys can see, you have a nice long zipper that goes across the very top here. And at the very end, you have a zipper pull here with the Lily Jade lily on it. It's really pretty. The zipper is nice and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and undo it. I'm also gonna pop this open a little bit so you guys can see better. But this is how I have it currently packed up. As you can see, I have a jacket on top there. So if my 3-year-old gets cold while we're out and about, then he has a jacket he can wear. It's been in the 50s around here, so it's definitely cooling down quickly. And this is how I have the rest of the bag packed up. As you guys can see, I have the baby bag insert in here, and I highly recommend this insert. It is amazing. Whether you have a baby or if you're using this bag as a work bag, this insert is the perfect combination with Lily Jade bags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull the insert out because it's just the easiest way to show you guys how I have it packed up. And then I will show you guys what the inside of the Shaylee bag looks like without it. So let's get started. All right, so here we go. I wanted to show you guys how easily this comes in and out of your bag. I do have this insert packed up to the brim. So here we go. See how quick and easy that was? I love these inserts. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Shaylee back here. Did you see how smushy it was when it fell over? I love that. So the insert actually has 2 elastic pockets, one on each side here. So on this side, I have my son's water. This is a bigger bottle. This is a Camelback Kids one. So this is a little more difficult to fit in here, but it does work, no problem. On the other side here, I have my sunglasses case. So I just have a pair of sunglasses in there. On the front here, you have 2 zippered pockets. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side here. I have a hand sanitizer down in there. And then I also have my wallet. And on the other side here, you actually have an antimicrobial pocket. So this is a great place to keep things you wanna keep sanitary. Like this is a great pocket to keep baby toys in and things like that. Now I actually have our masks in here because I want to try and keep them as sanitary as possible. So I have one for me and one for my son down in there. And I felt like that was a really great pocket for that. And that's all that was in there. Like I said, they have zippers on top. So if you don't want your things falling out, you can keep them zippered, or you can be like me and just have easy access and just leave them open. On the back here, you have 2 more large pockets. Now, if you have diapers and wipes, these are great pockets for that. We are beyond the diaper stage, but I do like to carry wipes with me all the time. So I have a Wipe Pouch 30 in this pocket here. On this side here, I have a wet bag. So if there is an accident of any kind, we can put clothes in here. That's all that I had on these 2 pockets, but you do have a little key fob as well. So if you wanted to keep your keys in this pocket, you could. You have these great little tote straps on top, just makes it easy to grab in and out of your bag. So this is how I have the inside packed up. I'm gonna go through these first 2 pockets over here first, so I'm gonna flip it around so you guys can see a little bit better. So on this side, I have a little small set piece from Jujubee. And in here, I have some things for myself. So I have a hairbrush, a chapstick, mirror, and some lotion down in there for myself. In the other pocket here, I have a few toys for my son, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. Probably just leave one in there, but I have like numbers 1 to 4 of these little number bots. They're really cool. They transform and you can do different things with them. My son is a lot better at it than me, but they turn into like little robot people. They're really cute. Now on the other side, this bag actually has an insulated pocket. So if you needed to keep things cool, like breast milk bags or yogurt and things like that, you could. Now I just have a couple of snacks down in there for my son that don't need to be kept cool. So I have a Go-Go Squeeze, some crackers, and then I also have a fruit snack down in there. But you can keep that pocket open or closed, it doesn't matter. And the last thing I have to go through is my medium-sized packing case from Lily Jade. This is in the natural color. It's gorgeous, I love it. One of the things I love about these bags is that you can just see everything in them without having to actually open them. So if you're running low on something or you want to make sure that something is in a particular pouch, you can just see it straight through here. So I just have a pair of underwear, some pants, some socks, and a long sleeve t-shirt for him. So if there is a reason that he needs a second set of clothes, we have it. Now that I've shown you guys the whole inside and outside of the insert, let's go ahead and jump back into the inside of the Shaylee. So this is what the inside looks like. It's very roomy, and if you guys want to see how this bag packs without the insert, definitely go check out Ashley's video because she's not using the insert in hers. But you do have a leather trimmed pocket. I'm going to try and bring that out so you guys can see better. You have a leather trimmed pocket here, and you can put in all kinds of different things. It's not a very big pocket. It goes about that deep on my hand and about this wide. But you do have this nice leather and the leather zipper pull. You also have a key fob and the Lily Jade tag right here. On the other side of the bag, this one I might not be able to show you as well, but you do have two leather trimmed pockets here as well. You have a skinnier one here and a larger one here. So these are great for your cell phone, keys, and things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think of the Shaylee in this color. And I'd also like to know what other Old English colors would you like to see come out, because I'm feeling like maybe like a light brown leather would be absolutely stunning. I just love this material so much. It is gorgeous and so soft, you guys. I look forward to seeing you guys at the next video. Thanks for watching.